Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your e-commerce website on Wix.com. So as we know, Wix.com is a website builder that can help businesses and individuals to manage and to create their websites. So first thing to do is to create your account on Wix.com. Next, you have to click on create new site. Then you type in what kind of business. So e-commerce has a lot of types. We have e-commerce store, mobile accessory retail, clothing store. So everything. So if we wanted to make it general, I don't think e-commerce business is available. So shop is what you can manage to check all of those. So what's the name of your store? Let's just give it some random name. Madaga's already used. Madagao. Next. You can't pronounce it, I know. So what do you want to add to your website? We have online store. It's already built in because it's an e-commerce shop. You can't keep it from adding an online store. So you can add a chat, a forms, Instagram feed. Here you can add a blog, booking, events, portfolio, online programs, music, video, pricing plans, forums, groups, file share, travel reservation, brands in town. We have food order, restaurant menus, and others. You can add them to your website. Next, there are here we have three types of people. The one that go to the dashboard and complete creation of the website step by step. The second one is who have an experience with design or something like this, or have an idea about how the website will look like. He begins with a template and design it on his own. And the last type is us, the lazy people. Let Wix create the website for you in a few minutes, and by clicking on it, Wix just asks you to confirm your informations like the logo. Here we have the logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and the social accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or others. Click on next after filling those informations and pick a theme: classic, deep forest, humble, trade, retro, clean. So it's an e-commerce business, so let's pick deep forest. Now Wix.com will give us three choices to choose between. So we have this one, and this one. So it's up to you what to choose. Now let's continue. Now we need to add pages to your website, like frequently asked questions, about us, review, location, contacts, and the team. Let's add something and click on edit site. Now we are at the editing. So people who choose the dashboard now have a step before the creation of the website is to put what are you selling. So here we didn't put what are we selling because we skipped some parts. Here we have just a random place that shows us where our products will be showing. You can add apps or businesses or elements. You can change everything you see on this page, from this subscribe to this big image here. And after you're done, click on publish after saving. And by clicking on publish, your website is now ready and online. Here you can see this is your website. Those are the products that are you selling. And here you can go back to dashboard from here and continue by completing those steps. Steps like adding your first products, and let's see. So while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we already completed 2 steps. Those are choosing add apps to your website and publish your website. So here we have add your first products. By clicking on it, you have to take pictures of your products, add in price, the review, description, and everything. Next, we have to set up payments methods. Payments methods like PayPal or manual accounts, depending on your country and what your country accepts. So next, we have set up shipping and delivery. So by clicking on here, now we have shipping region. We have this country and international, and you can edit it and add prices for the international shipping. Like here we have rate by weight, by price, by products. Here let's create by products. You need a group of products, and this will be done by completing the previous step that contains adding some products to your website. So here we have the last step is to be found on Google, and it's quite easy. Just have to answer some questions and fill up the needed informations. Then put some keywords. I will show you how. So you need the name of your brand. Click on next. Choose if you are serving your customers physical address or within a local service. It's an e-commerce business, so it's online. Which keyword refers to you? Let's choose something like Adara shop online business. Oh, you can't edit it, or okay, this website is tricky. So you can add phrases, word, more than 3, 4. You can see here the examples, good examples. Online mystery bookstore, comic book delivery shop, Spider-Man comic subscription, and bad examples. So next we have to complete those last steps. Add homepage description. We have text to your homepage and connect it to a domain. Connected to a domain is the step where you have to pay, and you can't be found on Google unless you upgrade your account here. By clicking connect to a domain, your website now will be ready and published, and when people search for some keywords you added, your website will be like this on the top of everything. So if you don't want to upgrade, you can just share the link on your Instagram account bio or something like this where you have people, or you can ask friends to share the link on Wild Range. And I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.